Hello, nappers. I did it. I have the IS-3 right now, baby. I'm very much excited about this. Well, my class is about to start in 50 minutes, but I I want to try this beast. I want to record for like 40 to 45 minutes. Like, I am excited at the same time. I am not excited about its reloading rate, as we know. But let's go, baby. Wait, 25 seconds. It's point 0.9 faster than the IS-2 1944. Ah, okay. Okay, I tanked that. Okay. I tanked that every shot. If I was using IS-2, I should have been dead right now. Okay. It's one of these things. I'm gonna go here. No. Ho ho ho. Yo. This thing. You know what? That thing, bro. I got killed 2 times by that small stupid thing. That, bro. IS-3 is not that much tankable if my side and back is exposed, and it's expected to the tanks. And when I'm facing the front of the enemy, well, of course, I'm super strong. That's what I noticed. To be honest with you guys, I'm kinda scared because for the past rounds, I've been killed by a small piece of shit tank. That's what I hate. See? Where is that thing? This is what it feels like to play in 7.3 BR. Some random missiles gonna shoot at you from 500 meters. There's gonna be a lot of small that's gonna you up. I thought I was gonna have fun using the IS-3, but I've died so many times. I haven't had a good round with this tank. ISIF Stalin. Bro, your tank is just getting overpowered, bro. Come on, ISIF Stalin, do something. I'm playing in a wide map with the snow, and I haven't had the snow camouflage, which means I am very much visible to the enemy, and some missiles gonna me up. I promise you. That's what gonna happen to me. That's what 100% gonna happen to me. See? What tank is this? Hit something. Join? Nice. Wait! It can reverse so fast. Look, 16 kilometers. Okay, WIS so far. It is a WIS so far. Hello there. Very good. Oh, you scared me. Okay, someone's pushing, which is very bad. Um. Okay. I'm pretty sure I got hit from behind because it's an M26. Okay. Now, my question is, why is this thing very easy to penetrate? That is my question. What? Where did that missile come from? This not me. This. There's one thing I've learned about this. It's not about how heavy your tank is. It's not about how much armor your tank has. It's about speed and strategy. You know, by making a lot of small car, or I don't know what they call, and then put some 100mm cannon on them and just let them flank, and that will do the thing. That's what I've learned. It's not about facing the enemy front. It's about being a rat. It's about being strategy. It's about survivability. That's all I've learned from War Thunder. And don't you stupid. You just cut me off, bro. I was on the right lane. That is a... Of course, you're gonna have to aim off my gun barrel. And of course, I don't have... I cannot repair. I'm like someone who's really paranoid. I wonder who's that person. I see something. I see something. This. Oh, yes! Let's go! Let's go! Wait! Wait. You know, it's March 18th, and earlier there's an update. Wait. Is this the new map? Advance to the Rhine. Wait. It looks so cool. Wait. Is this it? Oh, this is it. Okay, there's also a mouse. I don't give a... Oh, nice. You know, I don't know, but that map from the right corner, it looks appetizing. That's how I would describe it. It looks more a bit... I don't know. The last thing was a chaotic map, if I remember. Of course, I don't remember it. It's chaotic. But right now, I would say they did a pretty good job. Okay, there you are. Why am I being a... I'm an IS. I'm not a... I'm gonna pick you. To pick up me. Come on. Gun barrel. Woohoo! Get wrecked. Ha! It has a nice reverse. Okay, I got killed by something. These things are pretty annoying. Oh, that's a turtle. That's a turtle. I saw a turtle. Okay. You had your chance to kill me. Okay, I have that chance to kill you also. I just wasted it. Come on. We're just wasting our time. I am so stupid at this game. Kill me if you can. Oh, you thought I could see your gun barrel? I could. Hello there. How many times am I gonna mess this up? Drift. Oh, get wrecked. I see a king tiger though. Yeah. I feel like this is a curse. This is what Gaiden made me play, and this is 100% a curse. Because what is that? Please, let me just take this skill, man. Come on. Thank you. It's just... If just the... If this guy kills me, I swear. I swear. You know what? Give it a chance. I could always use my backup, right? Universal backup. Give it a chance. It's not like I'm gonna spend here an hour and just get a couple of kills, right? Oh, that's the tiger that killed me. Ho 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 ho. And is it gonna get up? No. I'm not gonna let you. Ho ho ho. Yes. The king tiger. Come on, come on. Oh, I don't care if I get sent to mental hospital after this, but bro, it felt so good, bro. You know, I've been a curse. It's not a skill issue. This thing is literally a curse. This is the first time that I got triggers with this thing, and I am very happy about it. And I would very much proudly say it to you guys. I did it. Did I got this gun? I got this gun. Oh ho 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 ho. Wow ho ho ho. I can hear something. I can definitely hear something. Oh ho 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 ho. That Tiger King is dead. Thank you. I see a tiger. Please don't kill me. I am unstoppable. 6 kills. No, 5 kills. I'm on top. Okay, that is a tiger. Please go back. Oh no. Knock knock. Who's there? IS3. IS3 who? Pom 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 pom. Para pom pom. Pom pom. Para pom pom. Para pom pom. I'm gonna recapture this. No one can stop me. Let me just capture this point. Then I'm gonna wait for you. Oh, here comes Daddy. Who is a good boy? Is it me or you? Of course it's you. Oh, I see something from the map. I see 2 little cute babies on the map. Now where are they? Where are they? Ah, he got that one. I'm just gonna go. This. Let's go! Professional. Look. 8 kills. 8 kills. 1 assist. 1 capture point. Oh. Well. I guess at the end, I did get fun. It was fun, but at first in the middle, it was not fun. And I would say that this thing is a curse for me. And that's all. Thank you for watching, Nappers. Goodbye. Peace out.